tropical disease exacts a huge price in human suffering and is a major cause of poverty and underdevelopment. The case of malaria is particularly acute. Malaria kills over 1 million people worldwide each year. Children under 5 and pregnant women are its main victims. Today, the outlook for the control of malaria looks bleak. Scientific and technical obstacles mean there are no vaccines to fight off the disease. Drugs which once worked against malaria are slowly but surely becoming less and less effective as the disease builds up resistance to them. 2 leading anti-malarial medicines no longer work in some Asian countries. Another only works for half the patients who take it. New products are desperately needed, especially affordable drugs to treat the disease. But malaria is a disease of the poor. And in a free market, the poor cannot afford to buy the medicines they need. The pharmaceutical industry is usually the bridge between research science and the medical profession. It has the expertise and resources to use the results of research to discover, develop, register, and commercialize new drugs. But in the competitive world of pharmaceuticals, market incentive is the motor to develop new products. The public sector has maintained basic science funding, but developing new medicines is very expensive. The average cost of discovering and getting a new drug to the market is an estimated $500 million, and traditional methods of providing medicines for low-income people are not working. The need for a new approach to develop drugs at an affordable price is urgent. That new approach is the Medicines for Malaria venture, or MMV. MMV is a unique venture which brings together the World Health Organization, pharmaceutical companies, and other agencies under the umbrella of the Global Partnership to Roll Back Malaria. MMV will support the discovery and development of new anti-malarial drugs by reducing the financial risks involved. Through its Public Venture Capital Fund, MMV will identify and resource drug discovery projects on a competitive basis. MMV will work with both academic institutions and pharmaceutical companies to bring the most promising candidates through to registration, seeking out industrial partners, large or small, to commercialize the products at appropriate prices. MMV is an important new approach to tackle malaria. It will develop affordable new medicines. It will help increase access to drugs and play an important part in improving care for people with this devastating disease. MMV is a unique partnership between the public and private sectors. It is a partnership to obtain funds and resources. It is a partnership with the scientists who will discover and develop the drugs. Ultimately, it is a partnership with the patients and communities who will benefit from the drugs developed through MMV, the Medicines for Malaria venture.